Welcome to Jersey City once again. We are on the roof, and this here is very dangerous where I am right now. So I am not gonna go near it. I'm getting dizzy just looking toward there. We are about 9 stories up, and we have a awesome view of New York City. There's a large ship passing by, a cruise ship that's like 10 stories high. Can I get up? All right. Cool. There's like a little structure over there. Smokestack. Oh, where does this go? Looks very dangerous. Yes, it goes down like 7, 8 stories. Now this roof seems kind of sturdy, so I'm not too worried, but I am a little concerned. Got this old structure on the roof. Yeah, they're tearing this section of Jersey City down big time. I'm gonna try to climb these stairs and see what's inside. Oh, wow. It's an old motor. There's not really anywhere to put my foot. It's only like a 2-foot drop though, maybe 3. Wow. I hear someone downstairs. Someone's down there. I better not stand on this thing. It goes down like 8 stories. But this is old. This was probably for the elevator. And there's a very old motor down there too. Unfortunately, it's not worth taking the risk. Yeah, someone's in this building, so I'm gonna have a hell of a time getting out of here. Bummer. Well, time to get out of here. Whoa, I forgot there's nothing here. I almost fell. Yeah, someone's in the building now. I don't know if they were or if they now are, but they're doing something down there. I hear the cutting of metal or something like that. And then let's just see what this thing is, since I got an appointment with the boogeyman on the way down that I'm not gonna like very much. There's New York. As we approach this structure, I'll focus on New York City. Wow. Anyway, doesn't look like I can get in. Maybe I can. Maybe I can. Little alley right over there. Definitely very old stairs. Keep in mind, this floor could collapse, who knows? I'm taking a chance. Because I strongly feel that it will not collapse. I don't know, it just looks like it's not gonna open, but we'll see. Oh no, wait. It comes out. Probably just another motor inside. There's nothing in it. It's not gonna open either. So, with that, I believe I will be signing out in Jersey City, New Jersey. And we will end the video with a little peek at New York City. Signing out.